Home insurance offers coverage on a named perils and open perils basis. A named perils policy is one that provides coverage for a loss specifically listed on the policy. If it's not listed, then it's not covered. An open perils policy is broader in the sense that it will provide coverage for all losses except those specifically excluded on your policy. Basic named perils 4, this is the least comprehensive of the three coverage options. It provides protection against perils most likely to result in a total loss. If something happens to your home that's not on the list below, you are not covered. This type of policy is most common in countries with developing insurance markets and as protection for vacant or unoccupied buildings. Basic form covered perils: fire, lightning, windstorm or hail, explosion, smoke, vandalism, aircraft or vehicle collision, riot or civil commotion. Broad named perils 5. This form expands on the basic form by adding 6 more covered perils. Again, this is a named perils policy. The loss must specifically be listed to receive coverage. Fortunately, the broad form is designed to cover the most common forms of property damage. Broad form covered perils: all basic form perils, burglary, break-in damage, falling objects, e.g., tree limbs, weight of ice and snow, freezing of plumbing, accidental water damage, artificially generated electricity. Special all risk 6. Special form coverage is the most inclusive of the three options. The difference with special form policies is that they provide coverage to all losses unless specifically excluded. Unlike the prior forms, all unlisted perils are covered perils. However, if something happens to your home, and the event is on the exclusions list, the policy will not provide coverage. Special form excluded perils: ordinance of law, earthquake, flood, power failure, neglect, war, nuclear hazard, intentional acts. In the United States, a home in Louisiana damaged by Hurricane Katrina. In the United States, most home buyers borrow money in the form of a mortgage loan, and the mortgage lender often requires that the buyer purchase homeowner's insurance as a condition of the loan, in order to protect the bank if the home is destroyed. Anyone with an insurable interest in the property should be listed on the policy. In some cases, the mortgagee will waive the need for the mortgager to carry homeowner's insurance if the value of the land exceeds the amount of the mortgage balance. In such a case, even the total destruction of